Hi there, I'm Philo.
And I'm Kiko.
And today we're going to show you the density column experiment. Density is how much a 1 liter liquid weighs. The higher the density, the heavier the liquid will be. In this experiment, we're going to put different liquid layers on top of each other, and they will not mix because of their density.
You will need a cup, water, some and some maple syrup,
and dishwashing liquid,
a honey, and some oil.
We will start with the honey.
With the maple syrup.
Then we'll put the dishwashing liquid. Then we will put the water. Then we will add the oil, which is the last layer. There. We have it, 5 different layers which are not mixing because of density.
Bye!
See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our latest video. See you next time.